mechanism where somebody gets interest, right?
Yeah.
And most of the time, it is where one shareholder funds more proportionately than another. So if you're 50-50 shareholders, and one gives 75% of the money and the other gives 25, then that 25 difference gets a little kick of interest, right? So I just take if it's non-Muslim parties and they want that clause in, then it's in, right? But now when it's Muslim parties, I don't put it in the first draft that goes out. But then it gets asked now, what's going to happen, you know?
Yeah.
Because remember, if somebody funds disproportionately and you're not going to do interest, the only other way is to dilute the non-funding party, meaning your 50%, because you're now not funding, right, must go down.
Okay.
The guys don't like that,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.